Claire survived the Therizinosaurus Indominus Rex. Keep watching to find out. Wow, everyone! Welcome to Crazy Dino Toys on YouTube. Today we'll be unboxing the brand new Jurassic World Dominion Sound Slashin Therizinosaurus. Wow, that guy looks awesome. Let's go ahead and open it up. Welcome to Jurassic World. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Quick, this way. No. This way. No. I say that way. Oh, no. I have no idea how to drive that thing. Oh, no. Claire, what is that? It's a Godzilla something. Look. Some kind of dance moves. Oh no, he's coming to attack! Quick, do something! He thinks we're a giant ball! Look at him! He's just hitting us back and forth! Quick, Claire, step on it! I can't, we're stuck! Oh, he's gonna eat us! Trying to crack the shell open like an egg! Okay, it's finally working. We can get away. We can. Oh no! It's the Indominus Rex. He's trying to eat us. Look! I think they're playing soccer. They're kicking the gyrosphere back and forth. Uh-oh. Which one of these dinos is gonna eat? There, you know it. Oh, it's a mighty battle. Oh. Here we go! Keep moving, I say! I want that dino for my collection! While he's busy eating you, I'm gonna go ahead and zap him! Oh, I changed my mind, I'm getting out of here! Quick, boss, help me! I think she's trying to smell me or something! I'm gonna zap her while she's busy eating. Haha, you don't have a chance, dumb dino. Haha, take that. Quick, Claire, get out of here while they're still distracted. Crazy Dino today open up these Jurassic World Dominion toys, including the Sound Slashin Therizinosaurus, and have it attack the Giganotosaurus. How cool is that? Awesome. Okay, so the Sound Slashin Therizinosaurus is awesome and huge. I mean, look at the size of this dino. It is one big Therizinosaurus, which is what we needed because it's such a cool dino with these huge, like, Freddy Krueger type claws on it. And it looks like it could swing side to side and it could bite and slash. Cool. So it says chomp and slashing action also. Let's go ahead and free her from the packet. Okay, so this one is nice and easy to free. You just cut a few of these rubber bands. So there you can see the awesome background where the T-Rex is being pursued by a police car and a helicopter through the woods. Okay, so the slashing action on this girl is awesome too. You go side to side. She has like a total slashing action there, so you could have it like slash the inside of a dino out. Okay, so if the Indominus was attacking, then she could just like rip it open with its claws. And then attack! And she would still lose. Because the Indominus Rex is my favorite dinosaur, it's not gonna get beaten by a lowly Therizinosaurus! No way! Although a human action figures is totally different, Claire turns to run and the Therizinosaurus has got her! Oh, it'll hold her up in its head, in its mouth. That's cool. I like it when they have strong jaws. Or if she's turning to run, it'll just slash her open with its Freddy Krueger claws. So there we have it. Awesome roaring, slashing, twisting action. Ho ho ho! But let's take a look at the dino itself because it is awesome. So it's like a dark blue, red, and green, very evil looking eyes. The claws you could twist up into all different directions there. The elbow also does turn, so you could have her like totally in like a slashing type mode over there to just like slash open. Or if you put the claws close together, I mean, you could even have her perform like a grabbing action. So like if Claire turns to run, this thing could grab her with its claws and then go ahead and eat her. So anyways, like I said, with its triple jointed body there, it is great for slashing action, which I love that. I mean, look at that. How cool is that? I mean, you can just have this dino just slash away at the other dino, rip them open, and then just go ahead and eat them. And of course, you could put her into different positions. So like here, you could have her standing and defending herself. Even have a slashing sound or biting. So there we have it, our giant Therizinosaurus. Oh man, talk about reptilian. I mean, this dino is total reptilian dino. Wow, and it stands really tall. It stands about as tall as the Destroy and Devour Indominus Rex. How cool is that? Look guys, look how funny this picture looks. It looks like her jaw is open because it's showing the bottom of the Giganotosaurus when her mouth is closed. But here, I mean, it looks like the Giganotosaurus's mouth is hers. How cool is that? So again, the scanning part of the app is broken. So to get around that, simply go ahead and hit your collection, pick one of your dinos to load up, And then you simply go ahead and hit the scan button here, like you're gonna scan your dino into the surface, but instead point it at the scan code on your dino or the picture that I included for you. And it'll scan in. So that's like a workaround for it until they fix it. So there we have our Therizinosaurus ready to attack. Whoa! Wow, that's a cool attack. And again, got the 360 view. You can see she's here in some type of forest. So it seems like a lot of the attack sequences are going to take place in forest type scenes. So let's see. Whoa, cool. Love it when she attacks. Look at that. That is awesome. So let's go ahead and scan her to my desktop and then get her to fight our Giganotosaurus. So there she is on the desktop. So it's Therizinosaurus versus Giganotosaurus. Which one of these girls will be the victor? And then you could also increase the size so it's so big that its foot doesn't even fit onto the screen. I'm gonna make it about the size of the Giganotosaurus there, and then let's go ahead and attack. So that's my actual Giganotosaurus toy there in the background, and the Therizinosaurus is attacking it. Cool. And you could take awesome pictures too. So there's a picture I took of our Therizinosaurus attacking our Giganotosaurus. You could also make these things like life-size and take pictures with your kids or yourself or whatever. It looks like the dino is right next to you. It's really cool. And then some facts about her. I mean, there she is, like human size comparison. So it looks like she's way bigger. Lettuce is there, and then it looks like she was found in Asia. So then if we go back to our collection, let's see how many dinos we have. So we have 10 of the 31 Jurassic World Dominions. Some of them haven't scanned in yet, but if you've been watching my videos, you'll have 10 of those too, and 178 of the earlier dinosaurs. Remember, you've seen this fun video on Crazy Dino Toys on YouTube. I will see you soon. Click the subscribe button below this video to see a lot more fun videos. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.